quality index of the national capital continues to remain in the severe plus category. Earlier, the Commission for Air Quality Management in Delhi NCR had invoked the stage 4 of the graded response action plan after the stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3 were invoked on the 14th of October, 21st of October and 14th of November respectively. Though visibility today has improved to around 600 meters compared to 100 meters yesterday, it's primarily due to an increase in wind speed, which has led to better dispersal of fog. However, the incidence of smog continues to bother Delhiites and the air quality index continues to remain in the severe plus category. Speaking of options available on the table, there are several options which are still available before the central and the state government, which include the odd even vehicle rationing scheme for vehicles plying in Delhi NCR, as well as the possibility of cloud seeding, over which Delhi's Environment Minister has already written a letter to the union government to consider the possibility of providing a clearance and NOC for cloud seeding as an emergency measure in the national capital.
देश की केंद्र की भाजपा सरकार के मंत्री के पास एक मीटिंग बुलाने का समय नहीं है। मीटिंग छोड़ो, 4 चिट्ठियां मैंने आपको दिखाई हैं। इन चिट्ठियों का आज तक जवाब भी नहीं आया कि वो मीटिंग बुलाएंगे भी कि नहीं बुलाएंगे। ये है भारतीय जनता पार्टी की लापरवाही। मैं आज निवेदन करना चाहता हूं और देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से भी कहना चाहता हूं कि हस्तक्षेप करिए। देश आपके हवाले है। पूरा आधा देश परेशान है इस इमरजेंसी, मेडिकल इमरजेंसी से। अपने मंत्री साहब को बोलिए कि एक मीटिंग तो बुलाएं, और अगर नहीं मीटिंग बुलाना चाहते हैं तो ये जो पूरे चादर छाई हुई है उत्तर भारत में, इसका समाधान निकालें। उनके पास अगर कोई और समाधान है तो उसका समाधान निकाल करके हमें इमरजेंसी मेडिकल से मुक्ति चाहिए, इस प्रदूषण के संकट से मुक्ति चाहिए। अगर मोदी जी के पास, मोदी जी की सरकार के पास, केंद्रीय पर्यावरण मंत्री के पास अगर कोई और समाधान है तो हमें समाधान चाहिए, और कोई और समाधान नहीं है उनके पास तो आर्टिफिशियल रेन के लिए इमरजेंसी मीटिंग तुरंत बुलाई जाए।
मरीजों की लाइन लग गई है, छोटे छोटे बच्चे मर रहे हैं इससे, इसलिए स्कूलों की छुट्टियां करनी पड़ रही हैं। और आप ये समझ लीजिए कि प्रदूषण इतना ज्यादा फैल गया है कि दिल्ली गैस चैम्बर हो गई है। AQI 500 पार हो गई है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट को दखल देना पड़ रहा है कि जब तक हम नहीं कहेंगे तब तक आप ग्रैब 4 को वापस नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि ना कोई योजना ना कोई प्लान। आम आदमी की जा रही है जान, पर केजरीवाल सरकार सो रही है। अब दिल्ली तब बचेगी जब केंद्र में और दिल्ली में एक ही पार्टी की सरकार होगी।
Apart from the drastic measures which are currently being mulled, several steps already have been taken by the central and the state governments to ensure that the incidence of smog is reduced and air pollution and its sources are controlled. Also, the incidence of smog and air pollution is impacting flight operations and trains. As many as 22 Delhi-bound trains have been delayed and 8 have been rescheduled due to fog. It remains to be seen whether there is going to be any further adverse impact on flight or train operations. Also, till now, the stage 4 of GRAP is in place, and schools and colleges have been closed to protect students from the adverse impact of air pollution. Timings of government offices have been staggered to reduce congestion on roads, and private offices have been urged by the governments to allow many of their employees to work from home. Also, possibilities are further being considered to increase the incidence of work from home to reduce congestion on roads. The Supreme Court has also allowed many lawyers to switch to virtual hearings, though the court refused to issue a mandate as far as switching to virtual hearings was concerned. Apart from that, the entry of vehicles into Delhi NCR has also been curbed, and several limitations have been imposed. Diesel vehicles and petrol vehicles, namely the BS3 petrol vehicles and BS4 diesel vehicles, are not going to ply on the roads of Delhi since GRAP stage 4 is in place. Also, the entry of trucks into Delhi has been restricted unless the trucks are carrying essential items. Also, sprinkling of water is being undertaken on roads, not just in Delhi but also in other parts of the national capital region. The incidence of stubble burning, however, continues to exist, as there are several instances which have been reported in the recent past, not just from places in Punjab and Haryana but also many other places in North India. area. There were also earlier indications and fears over the fact that the incidence of stubble burning was deliberately being hidden by several errant farmers, and it remains to be seen whether any further action is going to be initiated by the government on this count. The Supreme Court had earlier asked the government to consider the possibility of issuing a complete ban on bursting on firecrackers in the national capital, and that's an issue on which a reply is yet to be filed.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV 18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV 18 on all the social media platforms.